Em here from Aunt Em's Quilts and Em's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to teach you how to do a disappearing 9-patch. So we'll make a giant 9-patch, and we'll cut it up and sew it together. Or, like this quilt behind me, we'll sew it together in a different way. Remember, if you like my videos, to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. To make a disappearing 9-patch block, you're going to want 9 squares of equal size. I'm just using charm squares here. You can do what you want. You can make your edge center squares the same. I like to do scrappy. I love scrappy, so that's why this is scrappy. And you can also make your center and all your blocks the same. That just gives uniformity throughout your quilt, but you can decide what to do. So 9 squares, and we're just going to sew those into rows. Once you get your block sewn into rows, we're just going to sew the rows together. I've pressed this so that it goes out to the corners and in toward the center. You could also press it just in rows, alternating directions. Okay, so we're just going to sew our rows together now. So once we get our giant 9-patch made, we're just going to cut it in half both ways. So first through here, and I just line up my lines on my seam so I make sure everything stays square. You get 4 units that look like this. I like to just use these units like this, but you can put this back together. So you can put your block together so it looks like this and just sew it together. Like I said, I like to use these units just like this. So have fun with it, mix and match. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.